Hello, I just wanted to post a quick solution to this problem with LibreOffice Writer. If you're trying to install these plugins, LanguageTool, WritingTool, or Zotero, and you're getting a runtime exception like this, an unexpected error occurred while searching for Java 11 at stock source, Java VM, and Java VM CXX. I found a solution to this problem, and I haven't even tried it yet. So we're just going to go through this and see right now if this fixes it. Sudo apt install LibreOffice-java-common. It does say I have to reboot after this, so I'm going to go ahead and shut this stuff down and reboot. Okay, I've rebooted and it's time to find out if that worked. If there's no error messages and this adds, it's working. There you go, problem solved. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. See you guys in the next one.